Assalamu alaikum, guys. So this is Shah on your screen. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so today I will be teaching you chemistry. And the topic we'll be doing today is chemical bonding. Let's begin. All right, guys. So what is chemical bonding? Chemical bonding, by definition, as it says the name, bonding, it's a type of an interaction or a type of connection between chemical substances. The connection between chemicals. All right. So bonding means a connection between different chemicals. Now, chemical bonding is divided broadly into two major categories. All right, two major categories. We have intramolecular bonding, intramolecular, and intermolecular bonding, intermolecular bonding. Now, intra, as the name suggests, is intra and extra. You know the difference between intra and extra, right? It's the opposite term of extra. Extra means outside, the intra means inside. So intramolecular means this is a type of bonding that is present within the molecule. Within the molecule. Within the molecule. And inter means in between the molecules. In between the molecules. You must know these two key differences between intermolecular and intramolecular bonding. Now, intra means within a molecule. So, for instance, if you have this atom and this atom joining together to form a molecule, so the type of interaction that is holding them together will be considered intramolecular. But if you have a molecule over here and another molecule over here, the type of interaction that these two molecules might have in between one another is considered intermolecular. Okay, now intra and inter have their own types. Okay, let's talk about the intermolecular bond types. Intermolecular bonds include the following. You must know the names of all of them. The first type is called hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. The second type is called permanent dipole, permanent dipole interaction, also known as dipole-dipole interaction as well. The third type is called instantaneous dipole, instantaneous dipole, induced dipole interaction. Instantaneous dipole induced dipole interaction is also known as London dispersion forces. The reason for calling them London dispersion forces is because they were discovered by a scientist named London. Now, both of these forces collectively can be referred to as van der Waal forces as well. Hydrogen bonding amongst the three are the strongest of all intermolecular forces. Okay, they're the strongest intermolecular forces compared to the other two. Okay, right. Now coming to the intramolecular forces that you need to know about. Now the intramolecular forces are of three broad categories as well. The first one for you to remember are known as ionic bonds. The second one are called covalent bonding. Covalent. Now, and the third one, the third type of intramolecular force is known as metallic bond. Now, covalent bonds have their own two more types. Normal covalent or coordinate covalent bonding. Coordinate covalent bonding is also known as dative bonding. Okay, so this mind map will help you remember all the different types of chemical bonds that are out there. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss each of these chemical bonds one by one in detail. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.